All right, YouTube, welcome back to Been There Review That. Today we're going to climb Hill 303. I talked about Hill 303 in my last video. You can check that out. I'll put a link to it up here or over here, one of these two corners. So Hill 303 is literally walking distance from Camp Carroll. So you're stationed at Camp Carroll, you need to come out here and check this trail out. It's really simple. You know, the kids can do it, the family, and it's a really cool historical site. So let's start walking. I'll turn on the GoPro. I got the GoPro 9 Black. So let's start walking. 안녕하세요. Really pretty day out here today. Today is October 22nd, 2022. The time is 3:12 p.m. here in Waegwon, Korea. You got a little potty right there. You need to go potty. I should have worn my hiking boots, but I wore my New Balance shoes that I've had for like 3 years, and the bottoms are worn out completely. But I really like these shoes, and I can't find another pair of them. So you can see over here in the distance, the brown buildings, that's Camp Carroll. So military always uses the same color of buildings for whatever reason. But so that's all Camp Carroll. So you see it's really close. All right, guys, checking back in. So we're probably about a little under halfway there. You can see Waegwon area, Camp Carroll. I'm out of breath. It's pretty steep, and I just wanted to point out, if you're a gym rat like me, I work out every day, but there's nothing quite the same as actually getting outside and hiking, walking. You just can't replace it. It puts a whole lot more stress in different areas of your body than just a treadmill or elliptical or a bike or lifting weights even. So I highly advise, man, I'm so tired. Highly advise that you get out of your house or get out of the gym as much as you can and just go walking, go hiking. You know, you're gonna get a much better workout, and it's you're in nature. So, because I kill it in the gym, guys. I hit the bike for 30 minutes straight. I'm dripping sweat, but I'm not breathing as hard as I'm breathing now. And I only climbed for 10 minutes maybe. So, and we were about to go up that. You can see where this gentleman up here is climbing. That's where we're headed. So yeah, nothing replaces the uneven surfaces, the different strenuous things you do, putting on your body, like the loads and all that, of just actually walking around outside. So if you can walk around, do it. If you can't, gym's always a good alternative. All right, I'll turn this back on when we get a little bit closer. I wanted to point out real quick, in the last video I made of the temple, the Samsung Gwanho Samsung temple, it had this on the floor, if you remember. It's like this ropey stuff. So, prime example, this is really steep. This gives you grip, and you can walk on it in the rain, the snow. You're gonna get the same grip. So here's a prime example. As you can see, we're walking pretty much straight up. So, all right, I can't talk 'cause I'm tired. All right, guys, so we got one more push. This little flat area here, it goes up And then you can see Hill 303, the monument is right there. So got to get up that last little push. And as you can see, we're pretty high up. So we're almost there. All right, guys, so I wanted to point something out. So yesterday, or not yesterday, rather last week, I took you over here, the Waegwon Samsung temple thing, resting area. That's over there. I really hope you guys can see what I'm pointing at. Down here, you see the river, and then up a little bit on this hill, that's the little temple there. The campground, you can see all the cars out there in the distance. This track right here is the bullet train track. So last week we were there. Now we're across the river at Hill 303. Next week, who knows, well, maybe we'll be on top of that mountain right there. I've climbed that mountain. It's 993 meters tall. So that's a beast right there. But there's the view. They got these nice little benches right here so you can sit down and just enjoy this view. There you have it. So let's get to the top. I'll turn the camera back on. Maybe we'll get some good drone footage up there, and I'll see you at the top. A steep hill. I don't know if you can see it. It's really steep. All right, here you have it. Hill 303. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that view. I catch my breath. So that's Gumi over there. So at night, there's lights on top of this monument, and they light up. It looks like a fire. It's called the Eternal Flame. It's pretty cool. Oh, there's a good spot, a good view, really good view. So kind of orient yourself here. This is the train tracks. Over there to the left is Waegwon Samsung resting place temple. That's the campground down there. Really clear day today. As you can see, Korea is just very mountainous. Like everywhere you turn, just mountains everywhere. And just imagine during the Korean War, people were trekking all around here, right? They didn't have roads. Oh, there's a bullet train coming in right there. They didn't have roads or anything, so people were carrying their equipment, the vehicles, moving them across all this crazy terrain. So my hat's off to all those Korean War veterans, because this place is a mess when it comes to terrain. If you want to pause it here, you can read the full thing. I'm just going to summarize. Basically, this observatory was created for the 70th anniversary of the Korean War to commemorate 41 U.S. soldiers slaughtered by North Korean soldiers at Hill 303 of Jago Mountain. It also recognizes the Korea-U.S. friendship, as well as promotes peace and prosperity on the Korean Peninsula. All right, guys, let's go up to the top. Hill 303 Memorial. Almost there. We are. This is the eternal flame right here, 5.5 meters tall. There is, I don't know what that sound is. There's the bullet train right there. Really pretty view up here. So this is the Nakdong River. And this river was a key instrument in the battle of the Korean War. So like, if basically, from what I understand, this river was contested a lot between North and South Korea. And this, holding this river was critical to us winning the war. So yeah, you can get a really good view of Camp Carroll right here. Let me go on this side. So all this area right here is Camp Carroll. There's the bullet train. It goes through the hill, comes out on this side, and then goes into another mountain over there. You see it. All right, guys, well, thanks for joining me today on Hill 303. I'm going to take some drone footage up here, and then I'm going to walk back down. So if you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content. Every week, I'm going to go somewhere here in Korea. So enjoy this view, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.